Did you know that collecting niche vintage technology can quietly build generational wealth? While most investors overlook old gadgets, savvy collectors are turning rare tech artifacts, like first-gen Apple computers, early gaming consoles, or vintage synthesizers, into high-yield assets. These unique items are more than just nostalgic treasures. Their scarcity, cultural significance, and historical impact drive up value over time, often outperforming traditional investments. For example, the Apple I computer, once sold for $666 in 1976, has fetched over $400,000 at auction. The key is focusing on limited-run, historically significant devices and preserving them in pristine condition. Unlike stocks or real estate, vintage tech is less affected by market volatility and offers valuable diversification. Families who build collections with foresight can pass them down, creating a legacy that appreciates in both monetary and historical value. This strategy isn't just for tech geeks. It's a little-known path to wealth that rewards patience, curiosity, and a sharp eye for cultural impact, proving that sometimes the most unexpected assets hold the greatest potential.